Alright, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to create a return label through Amazon using your Rollo label printer. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your return label, drag the screenshot over here, drag your barcode over here, and then go to show more options, print, and then it'll be in the correct orientation, and then you can just print it. It'll come out perfectly fine. Do the same thing with your barcode, print. It'll come out exactly the way it needs to. The only thing you need to change with the barcode is to deselect fit to picture frame, because the barcode will just be the entire label, so this will make it a more reasonable size for return shipping, and that's about it. Alright, so I'm going to go over this one more time, but this time we're going to use a test example. So we're going to pretend that this is our screen grab of our Amazon return label and barcode. So all you're going to want to do is right click, show more options, print, and the Windows settings will default to your Rollo printer and all the correct settings, and then print. And then of course, as I said before, the only difference with the barcode is that you want to deselect fit to picture frame so that your barcode doesn't take up the entire label. It just takes up what is needed and necessary. And then you can throw that into your return slip, and that's about it. This will work with any label that you need to print off, so just as long as you can screen grab it and put it on your desktop, then the Windows settings will default to the correct settings and you won't have any issues. And if something comes out too big, you can always just deselect fit to picture frame and try it again. But that's going to be the video. Thanks for watching.